Hi, I'm John from Oxidation Technologies, and I want to talk today about our MOB-10, the Mobile Ozone Water Injection Skid. This will put 10 grams an hour of ozone into water. It's a very simple system to operate. I've got our incoming water coming in at the top, water coming out the bottom. Turn the system on with a simple switch. That turns the pump, and the oxygen begins to make oxygen for the ozone generator. Once you turn the ozone generator on, it's making ozone and dissolving the ozone in the water. As the ozone is dissolved in the water, your level of dissolved ozone increases. This is an ORP meter. It's measuring ORP in millivolts. You can also adjust the ozone output. If our water flow stops, no water flow light will come on. And it's set up with a safety feature of an ozone leak. If there's too much ozone in the air, it'll shut the ozone off. So it's a very simple system to operate. On the front here, just some indications of your oxygen flow and the oxygen pressure feeding the ozone generator. You can adjust the flow and the oxygen pressure. But it's very turnkey. You can turn the ozone, turn the system back off, and it stops the pump, and you can turn your water off and hook it up to a different application. So very easy way. It's mobile. You can move it around different locations to add up to 10 grams an hour of ozone into your water. If we have any other questions, we're happy to talk on the phone and check out our website.